Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to turn off subtitles on Disney Plus. First thing I want you to do is just go ahead and identify any show or series or movie with subtitles. You'll see CC right here. Okay, that means it has subtitles. Then you can go ahead and watch any episode or movie, right? Just go ahead and click on it and play it. And then here, you notice at the top right, you'll see this icon right here. So this is the subtitle icon. I want you to just go ahead and tap on anywhere on the screen, and then you tap on this icon. It will open up this pop-up. And from here, you'll see the subtitle section. Just go ahead and tap here on off, and once you see this checkbox and it says off, that means you've basically turned off subtitles on Disney Plus. Then you can just come back and play your video. You'll not get any subtitles. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.